Welcome to this tutorial on how to add data of new content that you generated in Shopia.ai into Google Sheets automatically. Guys, Shopia.ai is a powerful artificial intelligence based content generator tool by which you can generate articles, blogs, etc. And guys, if you want to keep the track of the content that you are generating in Shopia in a separate space like in Google Sheets, this automation video is for you. And here we are going to integrate Shopia.ai with Google Sheets in such a way that you do not have to manually copy the details of the content that you're generating into Google Sheets. It will happen automatically. And guys, we are going to send the data of the details of the generated content in bulk just by a few clicks, and we are going to do this without any coding super simply. So let's begin. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste the same link in the description so that you can sign up for free from here and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So you can just sign up right now from the given link, and after that you have to sign in, then select Pabbly Connect product and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as Shopia.ai to Google Sheets. You can give any other name if you want. And after giving the name, you just have to click on this create button and you will see your workflow page loading up like this. And on this page, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So our automations are based on these two things only. Trigger is that event which is going to start a workflow, and the action is an automated consequence or the response of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, generating a content from Shopia.ai will act as a trigger to this workflow, and sending the content to Google Sheets, the details of the content to Google Sheets will act as an action. So here when you click on trigger, it will ask to choose your trigger application. In this use case, Shopia is the trigger application. So search for Shopia. Here it is selected. All right. Then you have to select the trigger event as get published content. Okay. Then you have to click on connect button. From here, select add new connection. Then click on connect with Shopia. And if you're logged in, it will be connected like this. Or if you're not logged in, it might bring you to the login window first, then you will be connected. Okay. And then here it will ask to give a name to this connection, this integration that you're making with Shopia. So here I'm going to give the name as new test. Okay. This is my connection's name, new test. And after that, you will find this link in the important note. And by clicking on this link, you can reach this page. Here you can see how you can send Shopia content to other apps using Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here you can read the screenshots and see the screenshots. First of all, after creating the workflow, what you have to do, you just have to click on save and send test request button. All right, then you need to switch to Shopia dashboards tab. Here you will find the settings option, then connections, and you will find your connections name here. And here you will find this button. So you can read the instructions clearly written. You can read and follow. Let me show you directly. First of all, guys, I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And it will start showing waiting for the connections response. This means now we can perform a test submission. All right, to perform a test submission, go to Shopia applications dashboard. This is the Shopia dashboard. Here on the top right corner, you will find this admin. If you are working with team, you will find this admin's team option, or you will just find admin option. By clicking on it, you will find the settings icon. Click on settings option. Under settings page, you will find this connections tab. Click on connections. And here you will find all the connections that you have created inside Pabbly Connect with Shopia. Here you can see my latest connection was this one, new test. You can see this is the connection's name, new test, and it is showing up here. So by clicking on send test data, you can send the sample data or the test data of any content that you can generate in Shopia. How the content will appear in Pabbly Connect? By clicking on it, you can see. Okay, so click on send test data and you can see the test data is sent here. A sample data of our generated content will be sent to the workflow. Let us check our workflow now, and here you can see here is how we are going to receive the data of any generated content. You will receive the title of the content, any featured image of the content, the ID of the content, and the body of the content in which you can get the text that you have generated. Right now, guys, if you want to send this data to your spreadsheet in Google Sheets application, connect Google Sheets here in the Sections tab. Just search for Google Sheets, then select the action event as add new row, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. From here, you have to select that Google account by which you have created the spreadsheet. Then you have to provide some additional access to your account. Just click on continue. That is completely safe, and you will be connected with Google Sheets in a few moments like this. All right, then it will ask to select your spreadsheet. So when you click here, it will show you the list of all the spreadsheets that you have. From here, you have to select that spreadsheet in which you want to send the data. So guys, this is my spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is Shopia articles, and these are the things I want to save here. Okay, the title, image, ID, and the body, right? So I have already created the headers of the columns here, and let me select the spreadsheet's name. Then it will ask for selecting the sheet's name, so it will be selected from here. Then these fields will appear. These are the headers of the columns I have in my spreadsheet, and these are appearing here. So to send the data in the spreadsheet, we need to map these labels here in this tab. Okay, so in the title label, I'm just going to click, and you can see the previous trigger step is appearing here in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So by clicking on these labels, you can map it here. Similarly, I'm going to map the image label, the ID label, and the body label. All right, like this. So guys, when you map the labels like this, after setting up this automation in real time, whenever you want to send the data to your spreadsheet, you just need to go to the application of Shopia, and here you can send the data in bulk, and the titles and the labels here will be updated automatically, and correctly the data will be placed here in this spreadsheet. Okay, let me show you. I'll show you a real-time example. First of all, let us check our connection with the spreadsheet. I'm going to click on save and send test request button here, and this data that we have mapped will be added here as the test data in the first row. Let me show you. I have clicked on save and send test request button. This is the response we have received. Let me show you the spreadsheet, and here you can see we got the data here like this. Okay, this is how it is going to work. Now we are done setting up this automation. Now let me just show you how you can send the data in bulk from Shopia in real time. So for sending the data in real time, just open the dashboard of the documents that you have generated. I have generated these 3 documents or the content. Okay, and these are long form these can be long form articles or blogs. These are my articles actually. Now guys, to send the data of these articles in spreadsheet, you can see we have this bulk actions button. Click on it, and under bulk actions option, you will find this send to another app option. Click on send to another app. All right, so it is asking please select at least one document. So you first of all, you have to select your documents. So let me select all the documents, right, that I want to send. Now click on bulk actions, and from here click on send to another app, and here you will find your connections. So by clicking on the connection that you have created, click on send, and the data, the content is sent, you can see. Okay, now I am going to show you directly in my spreadsheet. We are not going to open the workflow. It will run silently in background. Okay, you do not need to even open it. Now let me show you directly in my spreadsheet if we got a data. So here you can see guys, we got the data captured like this. Okay, so the rows have added one by one like this, with the title, with the image, with the ID and with the body. That's how you can capture the data in real time and track the data in real time. So guys, we are done setting up this automation, and you can use this same workflow, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.